Salvete omnes, let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Just like the mooings, when a wounded bull fled the altar and shook off the uncertain axe from its neck. But the twin serpents fled towards the highest temples with a gliding motion, and they seek the citadel of savage Tritonis. They are protected, they are covered, they are hidden beneath the feet of the goddess and beneath the circle of her shield. So this first part, these first two lines are a simile, and it's comparing Laocoon being strangled by the snakes and the noises that he's making to whenever an ill-fated sacrifice happens, whenever a wounded bull flees from the altar and casts off the uncertain axe with its neck. And a sacrifice gone wrong is a really bad omen. It's just, if something goes wrong in a sacrifice, then that's an ill omen that something could go really wrong in life or for the city. So now we have the end of the simile, and we return to the dracones, the serpents. And you might just know that Draco means dragon, or maybe you can think of it like Draco from Harry Potter, and that Slytherin is all about serpents. So Draco can mean dragon, serpent, whatever. So the twin serpents flee towards the highest temples, the highest shrines. Here, lapsu just translated as with a gliding motion. And they seek the citadel of savage Tritonis. Tritonis is Athena, and this is just another name for her. Athena/Minerva, if you want to go by Roman or Greek names. And this is another name for her based on the location where myth says that she was born. And now here, the snakes are protected beneath the feet of the goddess and beneath the circle of her shield. So I believe this is referring to a statue of Athena, and the snakes have gone up to the citadel and they're just hiding beneath the statue.